In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Tag Manager on Go High Level sales funnels. We'll walk through the process from creating your Google Tag Manager account all the way to installing the tracking codes inside your Go High Level funnels. By the end, your funnel will be ready to track events and send data to tools like Google Analytics, ads platforms, and more. First, open your browser and search for Google Tag Manager. In the search results, you'll see the official Google Tag Manager site from Google. Go ahead and click that result. This will take you to the Google Tag Manager homepage. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use for your business tracking. On the Tag Manager homepage, look for the option that says Create Account. Click that and you'll be guided through a short setup process. You'll be asked for an account name, a country, and a container name. The container name is usually your website or business name. When it asks where to use the container, choose Web, since we're working with a sales funnel. Follow the prompts and confirm any terms to finish creating the account and container. Once your account is created, you'll see your new container dashboard. At the top right or near the top of the screen, you should see your container ID. It usually starts with GTM followed by a series of letters and numbers. Click on that code to open the installation instructions. Google will show you two code snippets, one for the head section of your site and one for the body section. Keep this tab open because we'll copy those into Go High Level. Now, open a new tab and log into your Go High Level account. From the main menu, click on Sites. Inside Sites, go to your funnels list. Find the specific funnel where you want to install Google Tag Manager. On the right side of that funnel, click on the three dots, then choose Edit. Inside the funnel editor, look for the Settings tab at the top of the page and click it. In the Settings area, you'll see Fields for Custom Code. Go back to your Google Tag Manager tab and copy the first code snippet, the one meant for the head of the page. Return to Go High Level and paste that into the head tracking code area. Next, copy the second snippet from Google Tag Manager, the one meant to go after the opening body tag. Paste that into the body tracking code area in Go High Level. When both codes are in place,